What's going on everybody, Mario here with the Knuckle Prints YouTube channel. So today we're going to go ahead and use heat transfer vinyl to press a 5-color t-shirt. So if you want to see how we press a multicolored t-shirt, stay tuned. Alright everyone, so as I previously mentioned, today we're going to go ahead and press a t-shirt using 5 different layers. And for those of you that are new to this, each layer is going to be a different color. So don't get confused if I use the word color or layer sometimes. I'm not going to tell you what the design is. I'm only going to let you know that it is 5 different colors. You're going to see the design broken down by layer as we cut it, but you're not going to know what it is unless you stick around to the end. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is go ahead and load up the design on the cutting software. Let's go. Alright, so we have the design loaded up here on Silhouette Studio. So the first thing you're going to notice is that I have grouped here the same design in little blocks. The reason I do this is so that way I can go ahead and cut 3 at a time, not waste any space, maximize the space I use on my vinyl, and then I have less to cut next time I have to make this design again. Alright, so I already have these 3 pre-cut. So let's go ahead and start with the first layer, and it's going to be the white layer. Now also, you're going to notice I have 2 of the same design here. The reason is because I offer 2 different versions of the shirt. One of them is glow in the dark, which has this outline, while the other is all white. And it's pretty much the glow in the dark layer and the base layer combined. So let's go ahead and load up the white and let's get to cutting. Alright, that's done. Let's go ahead and send in green. I realized I actually don't have the purple, so let's go ahead and cut purple. So everything's cut. Now onto the fun part, weeding. Alright, so we have everything weeded. Let's go ahead and turn on the heat press and set it to 305 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's get to pressing. So let's go ahead and lay our shirt down. Make sure everything's nice and even. I always use my fingers to measure the sides. Give it a little pre-press. Draw out all the moisture. So we only do about 5 seconds for this one, and then slowly peel back the carrier. Since we only did 5 seconds, if you peel this back too fast, you might yank off some of the vinyl that didn't completely adhere correctly. So make sure you take your time with this, especially when you have a bunch of small details. Alright, that's good. Let's go ahead and give it another 5-second press. This one I'm also doing a 5-second press because if I leave the carrier on, you'll notice the lines going over the green and everything else that it's going on top of. We don't want those hard lines. Now let's go ahead and do a final press. Alright, so as you saw, we went ahead and made a t-shirt based off of Broly and Bot from Dragon Ball Super. If this was the glow-in-the-dark one, his outline and the lightning around him would all be glow-in-the-dark. If you like this video and found it helpful, please make sure to subscribe and also go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel and it tells me that people are finding this information helpful when starting their own businesses or starting their own brands or learning how to craft. Stay tuned for future projects, tips, tricks, nerdy and geeky stuff, and learn how to craft. Thanks again for being with me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.